How to remove active status on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy from the bottom. After that, go to Privacy. Here, make sure that activity status is disabled. When this is turned off, you and your friends will not see each other's activity status. You will only see this when both of you turn this on. Following these steps, you can easily remove active status on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.